In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Parentpay account. Whether you are a parent or a school trying to log in to the Parentpay service, then in this video, let me show you the process of logging into it. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's jump right in. The website of Parentpay is called parentpay.com. You can search for this on the search bar of your web browser. Once you land on the website, on the top right, you can see two options. If you are a parent, you can click on the For Parents, or if you're the school, click on School Login. Once you do, it's going to take you to the login section. Now from here, in the first box, you need to type in the email address or the username. In the second box, type in the password. If you don't remember the password that you created, you can click on the Forgotten Password link and follow a few steps to recover your password. Once you fill in both of these information, just click on Login and you'll be successfully logged in to your Parentpay account. So that was the video. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.